Hello viewers, let's integrate this integral of trigonometry identity, which is a fractional one. So we are going to use substitution. So let's just say we let u to be equals to the cos x. So if you have that, we can differentiate the cos, or we can differentiate u with respect to what? X, meaning du dx will be equals to, if we differentiate a cos, we get the negative sign of the function. But in this case, we want to have du so that we can replace this value here. So now it means this will multiply. If I have a division of 1 times du, this will multiply the negative sign x. So your du will be equals to negative the sign x dx if they are multiplying. Now, if that is the case, we can see that there is a negative here, and all these represent sine x dx. So I can shift in the negative by multiplying both sides by the negative 1, meaning this becomes negative du equals to positive sine x dx. So now, since we are doing substitution, this will replace the numerator and the dx. Then cos will take effect from here, meaning our integral will now become the whole of this becoming this. Then the down will become this. So I have 1 over u, but the u is what? A power of 3. Then we have our negative du. I don't know if you get the concept. This very one is multiplying the top. You can see this and this are multiplying. So it is actually sine x dx, which is our numerator. So that is what is divided by the cos cube x. So if I replace all of these by negative du, meaning negative du will be equals to the cos of this as in this form. And we know this being a fraction, we can shift it to multiply the 1. That is what we are seeing in this form. So what do? We can perform this integration. We just take a negative power. So this will become the integral of u to the power negative 3 du negative. Why negative? I am shifting this as negative 1 as a constant in front of the integral sign. So that will multiply, meaning the u will become positive. So what do? We are having u with respect to u, so we can now integrate. So this will become the u to the power of negative 3 plus 1, increasing the power by 1, dividing by negative 3 plus 1 plus the constant of integration. So this will give us negative 2, meaning u exponent negative 2 divided by what? Negative 2. Let's not forget we have a negative here, so that negative will be there. So this will still be, let me have my negative, then negative 2 plus the constant. You can see this negative will have effect. It will cancel. Then this can also be changed. Let me see. We know we have u exponent 1 will become 1 over u exponent positive, right? So this is going to be a power of 2, a power of what? 2. So meaning here, as the negative cancel, I'll be having 1 over u squared for this divided by 2 plus the constant, and this will be changing. So I have 1 over u exponent 2 times, don't forget 2 has 1 as a denominator, so that denominator goes up as I change this to multiplication. So 1 over 2 plus c. So you can see that this will be multiplying and this will also be multiplying. So in fact, this become 1 over 2u to the power 2 plus c. But don't forget, in the beginning we let the u to become a cos. So this become 1 over 2 cos. Don't forget we are having square, so cos square x plus the constant of integration. So this is what we are going to get if we are to integrate sine over cos cube x dx. All right, thank you for watching. Bye bye.